This time on Boneyard Revivals, we visit the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Hey, want to go for a ride in my square body?
Yeah.
Alright, see how the crew cab is feeling this morning. Checked fluids, it retained all of them. So that's good, right? The buzzer works now? Since when? That's never worked before until now.
No, it hasn't. I didn't know it had those.
Right up, no belt squeal from the AC belt like it normally does. She's ready. Oil pressure is there, and it's got oil. So you ready to go see some Corvettes?
Yeah, I'm ready to see some from the car.
Yeah, see a big hole in the ground. I mean, I don't think it's actually there anymore. I don't know. I just heard that there was a big sinkhole.
Big hole.
Yeah, all right, let's go see some Corvettes. And a crew cab, GMC. Makes sense. Yep, okay. I think you can tell we're pulling into the Corvette Museum by the way that there's like 6 Corvettes pulling into the Corvette Museum.
And all the signs that say Corvette.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Nomad. Thing's sweet. Yep. We'll have to go check it out. Here we go.
That's what it said.
Cuda? Yeah. Well, it looks like everybody that came in for Power Tour is here.
Crazy, all the car enthusiasts.
Corvette only.
Oh, that's cool. Kind of cool.
Big block. That's a deep hole.
That's a really deep hole.
So what did you think of the Corvette Museum?
It was pretty awesome.
Right?
It was pretty.
Yeah. Not big Corvette, fans. However,
Speak for yourself.
speaking for myself, I can own like a 70 to 77 Vet.
Stingray.
Yeah. Well, Stingray.
As we
Stingray.
learned.
Yes, as we learned. But
That
yeah.
Manta Ray was pretty cool.
I think the coolest part about it is that it just shows like the enthusiast of just one model, one brand, where it's like that culturally throughout the entire car community.
Yes.
Where like obviously like we're probably more well known for like square body stuff we're being 100% on. I mean, obviously, but no, it's neat. And I'm proud to say Power Tour season is officially in the air. You can smell it. You smell the gasoline burning. All the cars parked in the parking lot is awesome. It really is cool. It's so cool to see.
We did a
all
little
the cars out.
Power Tour preview.
Yeah, little Power Tour preview. So yeah, we're just gonna fill this thing up, and then you want to go explore a cave or something?
Yeah, the Lost River Cave.
Okay, we'll go explore a cave, and then yeah, I'll call it a day, and then we'll be ready for day 1 of Hot Rod Power Tour in Bowling Green, Kentucky on Monday. Now this video, you're gonna see this video later in the week, but you know.
Is this meant to be switched on? Okay.
But yeah, so we will be, you know, you'll be seeing this video later in the week, so you already see the Bowling Green and the Nashville videos before this one. Because I'm going to wait till later in the week to put this one out, because I'm not trying to slam 2 videos down your throats on a Sunday night. So, yeah, so far off to a good start. All right, made it to the Dollar General. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. The Corvette Museum was incredible. It really was. Just kind of goes to show, I think I said it earlier in this video, but like just the community that, you know, us car enthusiasts have. It's incredible. And that's just, like I said, one make and one, you know, model. And, you know, like I said, personally not a Corvette guy, but definitely have an appreciation for, you know, the group of men that built the cars and, you know, basically made it an American classic. It is just, it was mind-blowing to see at the least. You have any closing notes?
Corvette Museum was cool.
Mm-hmm.
I'm bummed that we got rained out of the Lost
Yeah.
River Cave.
So that last little clip that you guys saw, that was that cave that we went to, which is pretty epic. And they actually do like wedding venues and stuff there. So it was really neat to walk around and see that. And they had like a butterfly habitat too. So great place to take the family, to say the least. But that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We should have 2 more videos after this one coming out this week. The last day of Power Tour in Indy, and potentially, well, obviously the trip home. We're gonna do a video on that, and then also there might be one more tossed in there too of our adventures between Nashville and Indy, because like I said, we're not doing the whole tour. So we're gonna do a day in Nashville, and then we're also gonna do a day in Indy to check out what those venues have to offer. But that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys haven't just said heck with it and just drove your clapped out vehicle, you know, a few thousand miles down the road to go check out some cool stuff in this world, you should do that. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you later. Peace out.